Ever wondered how you could enhance your daily wellness routine in a simple, natural way? In our fast-paced world, it's more important than ever to prioritize health and wellness. Natural remedies, passed down through generations, offer a wealth of benefits that can help maintain optimal health. They can be a powerful ally in our quest for well-being, promoting balance and harmony in our bodies. One such natural solution lies in the versatile aloe vera plant, specifically its juice. Aloe vera juice, a soothing elixir, is packed with numerous health benefits. This nature's gift works wonders on our digestive system, helping to maintain a healthy gut and promoting regular bowel movements. It's an excellent hydrator too, thanks to its high water content, and contributes to our overall health and well-being. Did you know that aloe vera is also a skin healing hero? Its compounds promote skin regeneration and are beneficial for treating minor irritations. On top of that, it's a strong ally for our immune system, packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Aloe vera juice doesn't stop there. It flaunts anti-inflammatory properties, aids in detoxification, and even promotes oral hygiene. It's a potential tool for weight management and provides a nutrient-rich boost to our diet. Topically applied or consumed, it can enhance skin health and promote a youthful complexion. With such a wide array of benefits, it's clear that aloe vera juice is a powerhouse of wellness. But how does one incorporate this natural elixir into their routine? It's easier than you might think. Aloe vera juice can be consumed directly for its internal benefits, or it can be mixed into your favorite smoothies and mocktails for a nutrient-rich boost. You can also use it as a salad dressing base or in marinades for a unique twist on your usual recipes. For your skincare regimen, consider using aloe vera juice as a natural toner or moisturizer. It can also be used as a hair mask to promote healthy and shiny locks. Remember, the key is to choose high-quality, pure aloe vera juice, free from added sugars or artificial ingredients. Growing your own aloe vera plant at home can provide a constant supply of fresh aloe vera gel and juice. Plus, it's a great way to ensure the purity of your aloe source. With its numerous health benefits and versatility, aloe vera juice is a must-have in your journey towards optimal health and wellness. To sum it up, aloe vera juice is a natural, simple addition to your wellness routine. This soothing elixir promotes digestive health, enhances hydration, aids in skin healing, and bolsters your immune system. It even offers anti-inflammatory benefits, supports detoxification, and can be a boon for oral health and weight management. With its nutrient-rich profile, aloe vera juice can provide a significant boost to your daily diet and skincare regimen. So why not add aloe vera juice to your daily routine and experience the soothing benefits of this natural elixir?